Hi students, welcome to Time. As you all know, JEE Mains 2025 has already started and we have already completed 6 sessions of JEE Mains exams. Let us just have the analysis of exams which are already conducted on 22nd January, 23rd January and 24th January. And based on this, let us prepare for 28th and 29th. And that will help you to understand what type of questions you can expect in 28th and 29th. So before starting with, let me just give you a small idea about what is JEE Mains, when are these exams conducted, and what are the types of questions that we can expect, and all these things, and what is the pattern of the exams, what is the total score, all these things. Let us have a check. As you know, JEE Mains is an exam which is called Joint Entrance Examination. Joint Entrance Examination is a national level entrance examination which is conducted all over India, and this is the exam through which we get admissions to NITs, IITs, IIITs and some state and central funded institutions. So if you clear JEE Mains exams, you will get admission to NITs, IIITs and some state and central funded institutions, and you will be eligible to write JEE Advanced examination. And once you clear JEE Advanced examination, you will get a chance to get admission to IITs. Now usually what type of examination is this? This exam is a computer based examination which is conducted twice in a year. This is usually conducted in January as well as in April. January you will have one session of exam, that is nearly 5 to 6 days will be there for this examination. Similarly, in April you will have 5 to 6 days examination. So first thing what we have to understand is the pattern of this examination. What is the pattern of JEE Mains examination? For JEE Mains examination, we have subjects physics, chemistry and maths, and it's purely based on NCERT syllabus. So all the questions will be based on the NCERT syllabus, and there will be 20 MCQs, multiple choice questions, where you will have 4 options out of which you have to select one correct answer. First 20 questions in each subject will be a multiple choice question. The correct answer will be given 4 marks and the wrong answer will be given -1. This will be the pattern for physics, chemistry and maths for the first 20 questions. From the remaining 5 questions in each subject, all the 5 questions will be of numerical value type. Usually we can say integers. You will be provided with virtual keyboard through which you have to enter the numbers or the integers based on your answer. It need not be a single digit number itself, it can be a 2 digit, 4 digit or any number of digits can be there in your answer. So first thing what you have to remember is, if you enter the answer correctly, you will get 4 marks, and if your answer is wrong, your marks will be deducted and -1 will be your marks. The total marks for JEE Mains exam is 300, 100 each for physics, chemistry and maths. Since the exam is conducted not in a single day, instead of considering marks, percentile is considered. The best percentile of the 2 examinations in January and April is considered as the best percentile. That is, if you write the January exam alone, your January percentile will be considered. If you write April exam alone, your April percentile is considered, and if you write both exams, the best of 2 will be considered as your percentile. And based on the percentile, a ranking to the student is given, and based on the ranks, admissions to NITs and IITs are conducted. Usually, JEE mains exams are conducted in January as well as in April. Now, let us consider this year which are the dates that we got for JEE mains exam. In January, the dates are 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 28th and 29th. Already, the exams on 22nd, 23rd and 24th are over. We had 2 shifts each on 22nd, 23rd and 24th. And again, 2 more shifts are there on 28th and 29th. Paper 1 is for BTech aspirants, whereas paper 2 is for B.Arch and B planning aspirants. So we are considering BTech aspirants. So that's why paper 1 is conducted on 22nd, 23rd, 24th and 28th and 29th. Let's just have a look on the analysis of the papers on 22nd, 23rd and 24th. The following were the difficulty level of the questions on 22nd of January. 22nd, we had 2 shifts. The overall difficulty level of the questions on 22nd is as follows. Chemistry, the question paper was easy to moderate, whereas physics was moderately difficult. The questions in maths were very challenging. Time management was important in this shift, in the both shifts. So normally, if you can manage the timing, then you can easily score the marks. Now, the important topics that we had on this day was physics, potentiometer, gravitation, modern physics, ray optics and photoelectric effect. Whereas in chemistry, the important topics were chemical bonding, mole concept, named reactions, atomic structure and practical chemistry. Maths, the important topics which appeared in 22nd January paper was vector and 3D, calculus and algebra. So based on this, we can understand the important topics which are the important topics in physics, chemistry as well as maths, which were appeared on 22nd January. Let's have a look on the topics, important topics which appeared on 23rd January as well as the level of difficulty of the questions on 23rd January. 23rd January, the paper was easy to moderate. That is, physics was easy to moderate, chemistry was a bit lengthy and maths was lengthy and a bit tough. But the paper was easy to moderate. The important topics which was there in 23rd January shift 1 and shift 2 were as follows. In chemistry, the topics were chemical bonding, electrochemistry, solutions, named reactions and periodic classification. There were a few number of questions from periodic classifications. Maths, the questions were from conics, vector and 3D, relations and functions and determinants. In physics, current electricity, ray optics, electrostatics and modern physics were prominent. Now let's just have a look at questions and the difficulty level on 24th of January. Maths was lengthy and tough. Chemistry, had a few tough questions. Physics was comparatively easy. But overall, we can say the paper was moderately difficult. The important topics which were there in 24th January examination was physics, projection, simple harmonic motion and wave optics. Chemistry, organic chemistry was important, and whereas in maths, calculus, determinants and vector 3D. Based on the past 3 days experience, we can prepare well on these topics and write our exams well on 28th and 29th. I wish you all the best. Prepare well for 28th and 29th. Thank you.